Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the September-October Shots of Life kit. So our Shots of Life kit is geared toward the pocket page scrapbooking, but it is also perfect for traditional scrapbooking, traveler's notebooks, planner scrapbooking, just a little bit of everything. It also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it is an excellent way to add pattern paper and embellishments to that kit as well. So I'll have links at the end and you can check out the flavors of the month as well as all the other kits that we have available. This month's kit is jam-packed full, and we're going to dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive this month. First, we're going to look at the patterned paper that's in this month's kit. As you can see, we have a wide range of themes and icons, so a little bit of everything to document your everyday life. So starting with Bella Boulevard, You Are My Sunshine, we have the cut apart sheet here, which has some 4x6 and 3x4s, as well as a row of squares. And I love this quote, "Just be yourself, do your own sting." I think that's very clever. The back is a white with black polka dot. From Paige Evans, Bungalow Lane, we have paper number 24, which is another cut apart, and it's 4x6s, but you can see that some of them are split apart. So this one you could cut again in half, use it on different parts of a page if you're doing traditional pocket page scrapbooking. This one too could be cut apart separately, and this one's just some beautiful colors. This collection had a little bit of a fall theme, but again, perfect for all kinds of documenting. The back is a floral print on green, so it's kind of reminiscent of grass, and there's a full branding strip of a peachy pink. From Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist, we have the 4x6 cut apart. Again, this beautiful collection and that yellow and turquoise with the black and white. I just love this, and I know that it is selling out quick everywhere. Super cute. Some of these, or this one is going vertical, and then some are horizontal. Love that Simple Stories does all the layering for you. The back is a white polka dot on black with a distressed type background. For Carta Bella, Welcome Autumn, we have the 4x4 cut apart. Again, beautiful colors, that heavy textured cardstock Carta Bella is known for. I just love their fall collections. I love all their collections. And a green and white plaid on the back. For Echo Park, Halloween Magic, we have the 3x4 cut apart, so lots of options there to document your Halloween this year. The back is a two-toned black, and it's kind of like little spider webs, and then it makes a geometric design, so that's really cool. From Pink Fresh, we have The Best Day, and this has 3x4 cut aparts, a 4x6, and then some squares and different sizes. So really fun. I always love their collections. The beautiful colors and the positive sayings that they have is just gorgeous. Love this one that has the floral overprint over both of them. So you could actually use this in a 4x6 pocket or design, or you can cut it apart. Super unique. The back is a floral on a light turquoise background. Then we have some 6x8 papers from Fancy Pants, two different collections. First up, from Lake Life from Fancy Pants, you're going to get 2 each of 6 different prints. These are double-sided. So let's go through here. We have this gorgeous floral on a rust, and the back is a two-toned blue check. Then we have a plaid, and the back of it is this gorgeous wood grain. The script that says Lake Life, and then the badges with all of the different lake emblems. We have some fishing lures on the dark blue, and the back are the letterboards with Life is Better at the Lake. Then we have some pine cones on the light blue. And the back is that wood grain star print. It's gorgeous. And then we have this scene, which I love papers like this. So it's the lake with the little deck going out and the mountains in the background. The back is a fish print. So that is Fancy Pants Lake Life. And then for Fancy Pants My Type, you're going to get 6 of the 6x8 papers. And again, these are double-sided. So we have this beautiful floral. The back is a striped in the red and blue. A small little red floral print. It's just beautiful. Another beautiful wood grain. Two-toned blue with tiny stars. And the back has the flags with the hearts. Another floral and a little bit larger print. And the back is the typeset keys that say love. We have a script that says love notes in the black and the white. The back is a doily print in blue. And then we have the typewriter font with the little red heart on the diagonal, and the back has typewriters in the red and the white. So that is your pattern paper for the September-October Shots of Life kit. As you can see, lots and lots of options. You have a ton of paper. So now let's dig in and look at all of the embellishments. Next up, we're going to look at all of the awesome embellishments in your Shots of Life. So first up, for Bella Boulevard, You Are My Sunshine, you're going to get some of these epoxy stickers. So this is about half a pack. Some florals and bumblebees and hearts, just super cute. From Paige Evans Bungalow Lane, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. So these will vary. All of your embellishments will vary, but I got this one that has all of the different florals on the dark navy blue. And from Simple Stories, the Lemon Twist, you're going to receive half a pack of the floral bits. So you can see a good sampling here. There is lots of florals, the lemons, the butterflies, the little bumblebees. So again, those will vary, but that's a good representation of what you'll be receiving. From the Echo Park Halloween Magic, you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera of it as well. So you can see here a good representation. There's some tags, some little labels, just lots of little options to decorate your Halloween pages. You're also going to receive 3 sticker sheets. These are from Die Cuts with a View, so they will vary as well. I got some haunted houses and trees, some clear ones that's got lots of little ghosts and goblins, little characters, and then another one that just has random icons. Some of them have the foil. Also, there's foil on the clear ones here. So there's skeletons and spiders. So again, those will vary, but you can see a good representation there. From Pink Fresh, The Best Days, you're going to get some wood flares. So these are like the chipboard flare pieces. I love those. From Fancy Pants My Type, you're going to receive some of the puffy alphas. So you can do some titles, subtitles, monograms, lots of options there. And then Carta Bella Welcome Autumn, you're going to receive half a pack of the puffy stickers. So more of those just gorgeous icons, the little rocking chair, the lattes, all of the pumpkins. So that is a look at the embellishments in this month's Shots of Life kit. As you can see, you have lots to play with between the pattern paper, the cut-aparts, and the embellishments. So I know you're going to have a lot of fun. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store as well as individual items. And then join us on the Facebook group and the blog for some challenges. We have sketches, the Freaky Fast Friday. So come and play along with us. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.